Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to get a QR code for your Linktree so people can scan it and visit your links instantly. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and let's dive right into the video. First, you can simply open your Linktree app or simply open it through browser, any browser that you want. For now, I will simply choose the Linktree app, and you have to make sure you are logged in into your account, and you will land on your dashboard with all your. Simply click on your profile icon at the top of your screen, or simply go to the settings and scroll down to find the QR code section. Click generate QR code and your unique QR code link will appear and ready to download or share, as you can see. Otherwise, you can simply go to more, and here you can go to my information right here, and you can generate QR code from here as well if you are on browser. Download the QR code as an image and use it on social media, flyers, or anywhere you want people to access your Linktree quickly. And that's it. You now have a QR code for your Linktree. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.